Good afternoon all. Guess what? Another potato review. This is practically done. I know I said in the last video that I'll be another month before I do this potato review, but I'm managing to get rid of the dirt out of the wheelbarrow into the pots at the moment, so that's what I'm doing to try and keep the dirt level down. Not much to report as per usual. It is still cold, even though we're heading into August. I think August is the last month of winter, and I think September spring starts here in Australia. But there has been some growth, and it is looking quite special right now, purely because the weeds are hiding on the other side of that yellow daisy bush right now. But I have noticed that my onion stalks are getting fatter and thicker, and you can actually see the red onion, the redness in the stalk. So I might show you later afterwards if I got enough video time to do that. Up the top there, that lemon tree, I don't think it's going to survive somehow. But I'm happy to report that I've got 3 little tomato seedlings that are popped through in the middle of winter, and yeah, so that could be interesting. My budgie is with me today. Excuse me, I've just had such a croaky throat all month. It's just won't go away because of this cold air. My budgie got attacked by noisy miners the other day, and they were trying to pull his tail. I heard this squawk, 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 squawk. I came out. There was 3 of these big birds trying to eat him. I thought, oh my God. So I can't leave him outside alone now. I have to be with him when we're outside. The problem is it's so cold outside. He doesn't feel the cold. I do. Yeah. My irises are looking pretty darn good. Anyway, the reason why I want to get this potato review done is because I had a look last night, and some of them are actually, the ones at the top, there's a nice big one there, are starting to look a bit green. So this pot has intrigued me because this is so far the one that's been left the longest since April. April, May, June, July, August. At the end of this month it would have been 5 months. So, because I planted, I think, around about the 27th of April. So, and I know this is the only way I could do filming one-handed. Oi, keep the noise down. Seriously. He goes like that all day. I'm exhausted by the time I put him to bed. He's like a hyperactive child. Okay. And, you know, I'm not a hyperactive person. I've never been into sports or athletics. I'm more like into reading books and watching movies and stuff like that. But he just goes all day. I love this root system. But do I have anything? I think by the looks of this dirt, see how brown that is. I think I need to get a better soil next year. This is soil that came from my mum's place, so if anything comes out of it, I know they're in there. Like last time, I know they're in there. Yeah. Oh. Please don't be a sweet potato. It's actually starting to sprout again. Okay. Larry. Shit of a bird. Hey. You have to forgive me, we have a turbulent relationship. That is good to see. I think Judging by the colour, that is not a sweet potato. It's not soft. Ooh, bug, go away. So this one might have decent potatoes. Well, that could be interesting. When I'm getting rid of this dirt, I keep finding more potatoes, so the actual weigh-in is not correct. Hello. What have we got here? Still solid. I'm liking this pot. I'm liking this pot. Now, did I tell you I had my spuds with my roast lamb the other night? Absolutely bloody beautiful, as we Aussies say. I think that's that one that's turning green. I reckon I could probably peel that green off and it'll be alright, yeah. Oh, my bird. I'm going to kill him. No, I can't say that on YouTube, can I? Look at all the animal activists up my ass. Lighted up by a budgie. I actually want a dachshund. You know those long sausage dogs? I actually have a dachshund club here where I live, just down the road from me. If I can't handle a budgie, how am I going to handle a dachshund? That is my biggest worry and concern. If I get a dachshund, will I have a garden? Second biggest worry and concern. Okay. So, this looks interesting. That's not a sweet potato. That looks like, actually that looks like a normal sized potato. It's just been in, there's no cracks on that one. This might actually come up. See, there's no growth on that one. It's fairly solid. And if that's the case, I'm very stoked about that lot. They look like eggs. They've just been hatched. Right, I am not going to beat about, but I am going to try and weigh these. I was sitting on 8 minutes already, are we? What's that? We are. Alright, we better weigh these. So this is not bad. Ooh, this could be the mother load by the sound of it. Oh yes. The last one didn't even register, but that's okay. I'm still trying to work out how to do this. Right. I need glasses. Rare, what's rare? 0, enter, milliliter. Unit, okay. I'm having a blonde moment here. That looks like it's in ounces. That can't be right. Okay, if anyone can speak English to me in measurements, 27.8. That's not right. Nowhere near right. Ounces should be something like 3.9 or something. But that's 7.791 kilo. I think that's what I'm after. That's not right. I have to get you lovely people to show me how to measurements. So that's what is that? What is that? Okay, that's enough of that. But a lot more than last time. Interesting. So I'll just show you the onions. Spinach is going berserk. Nasturtiums. Have we got any flowers yet? The problem is it's been so dry, even though we've had rain, but you still have to keep watering on the odd basis. So, as you can see what I mean about the onions, they are starting to fatten up a bit. Celery's coming along. I don't know about those carrots there, I really don't. But see what I mean about the reeds? You did not see that. You did not see that. This piss poor lemon tree. I don't know if that's new sprouts or whether it's actually dying on me. Oh, I hope it lives. I really do. Now someone said, I'm surprised you got this tomato plant, Narelle. Well, have a look at it. It's gone berserk. This little stem has died, and I think I might cut that off. This was the main part. Oh, I don't get this. It's been so cold yet we've got flowers. And don't ask me what variety they are. I don't know. I've been saving seeds all year. I planted 6 and only 3 have come up. I think that one might not make it. Oop. But those 2 look like they're pretty solid. And my strawberries are coming along, strangely, in the middle of winter. And I don't know about these potatoes either. And I've got some more over here that need harvesting, so I might do that one as well later on. Because that stem's died. I don't know why they don't, or the leaves don't grow bigger than what they already do, but like I said, it could be the soil quality. So that is about it. Still unfinished. Still a lot to do. And yeah, happy gardening all.